WHO chief said all hypotheses remain open on COVID origins. France, Germany and UK warn Iran over uranium metal production. The United Nations human rights body has called on Myanmar to release Aung San Suu Kyi and other officials and to refrain from using violence on people protesting against the military coup. In Afghanistan, 5 police personnel have been killed in an explosion on their vehicle in the Chapadara district of Kuna province. US magazine slams Modi Hindu nationalist government for strong arm tactics against farmers. President Pakistan Dr. Arif Alvi has emphasized the need for regional peace to allow the blue economy to prosper. Oxford University to test COVID-19 vaccine response among children for the first time. 3 were killed in the Mogadishu car bomb.